So let's start again. Hydrocarbons. So yesterday we studied that hydrocarbons are those compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen, and we classified hydrocarbons into two types. Hydrocarbons, compounds formed by hydrogen and carbon, are called hydrocarbons, and we classified hydrocarbon into two types. Okay, first is saturated hydrocarbon, and second is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which are made up of single bonds. Okay, so those hydrocarbons which contain single bond between carbon and carbon. Okay, if there is a single bond between two carbons, then it is called saturated hydrocarbon. And if we have if there is double or triple bond between carbon and carbon, then they are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, if we are talking about saturated hydrocarbons, I can take a single example to make it understand you. So a single example you can take, such as propane. Propane is a hydrocarbon. Its formula is C3H8. This is propane, and here we can draw the structure of propane. So we have 3 carbons in propane and we have 8 hydrogens. So here you can see and understand that there is single bond between carbon and carbon. These are 2 carbons and there is a single bond between 2 carbons. So that's why it is a saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, it is a saturated hydrocarbon. And if we talk about unsaturated hydrocarbon, so it can be example such as C2H4. Okay, C2H4 is called ethene. It is ethene. Ethene can be written as like this. As I have said that there will be double or triple bond. So there is double bond in this compound, and 2 hydrogens will be placed here, 2 hydrogen will be placed here. So this is the structure of ethene. Now right now you have to understand only this thing, that there should be, if there are if there is double bond between 2 carbons, then it is considered as unsaturated. So ethene is unsaturated. One more example we can take ethyne, C2H2. This is an example of ethyne. In ethyne you can see carbon are connected with triple bond. Okay, so this is also unsaturated. So these 2 are example of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and this is example of saturated hydrocarbon, because it has single bond and they have double or triple bond. So let me know, is it clear that what are saturated and what are unsaturated? Okay, so common example, in term of common example, you can see all alkanes. You know, all alkanes are saturated alkanes, because what I have written here, this propane is a type of alkane. We will study further. And here we can have 2 examples. One is alkenes. Okay, alkene is a common name, common example, and there may be so many type of alkenes. So this is one of the alkenes. Ethene is the alkene. So alkenes are also unsaturated, and alkynes are unsaturated. They are also example of unsaturated hydrocarbon. So ethine is a type of alkyne. Ethene is a type of alkene. Okay. So we will study it further. So right now we have to only understand that what are saturated and what are unsaturated. Compounds having single bond between carbon-carbon are saturated, and compounds having double and triple bond between carbon-carbon, they are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Then one by one we will study in detail. First we will take saturated, then we will discuss about unsaturated. Let's discuss saturated hydrocarbon. Let's have saturated hydrocarbon. Now we are taking saturated. So let's see. Saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon. If we are talking about saturated hydrocarbon, so as I said that there is an example of saturated hydrocarbon called alkene. Okay. Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbons, and there is a very common formula for alkane. So थोड़ा और पीछे लिखता हूँ so that more space we can get. Alkane. Okay. So alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, and the common formula for alkane are CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Here C is number of carbon, H hydrogen. So hydrogen can be calculated using number of carbon. We will take some examples of it, है ना? हम इसके कुछ examples लेंगे. So we can see types of alkanes. How many types of alkanes are there? So in case we have one carbon, C equals to 1. Okay. C equals to 2. C equals to 3. C equals to 4. C equals to 5. And C equals to 6. We will see the alkanes up to 6 carbon. 6 carbon तक हम alkanes की बात करेंगे. Okay. If we have one, okay, actually remember one thing, there is a particular name for each carbon. हर carbon के लिए you will have a particular name for it. Suppose if we have one carbon, then it will be called mate. If there are 2 carbon, it will be called ace. For 3 carbon, it will be called prop. So let's first write the names for different carbon. If we have one carbon, then it will be called mate. Okay, mate. For 2 carbon, it will be called ace. For 3 carbon, it will be called prop. For 4 carbon, it will be bute. For 5 carbon, it will be pent. For 6 carbon, it will be hex. Okay. So you have to learn, you have to remember these terms which are used for different number of carbons. Okay. And after remembering this term, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that how can we name the alkane? It can be named as name of carbon plus ane. Then it will become alkane. Okay, it will become alkane. फिर वो alkane बन जाएगा. And we have seen the name of carbon, you know, for one mate, ace, prop, bute, pent, hex. These are the name of carbon. And what we have to do is we have to only add number of carbon with them. ठीक है, sorry, number we have to add the suffix for them. उनके लिए suffix ane का use करना है. Let's see, देखते हैं. Suppose we have carbon having one carbon. So we have compound having one carbon. हमारे पास एक ऐसा compound जिसमें केवल one carbon है. Then the formula will be CH4. Okay, CH4 बने, इसको ऐसे बनाते हैं according to formula. C1H2 into 1 plus 2. According to formula, I am writing the compound according to this formula. So if I place one carbon here, then there will be 2 into 1 plus 2. The formula will be CH4. ठीक है, CH4 is, we can write the name. The prefix for this name is mate. For one carbon we can use mate. And with mate what we have to add? ane. हमें क्या add करना है बेटा? ane add करें. So it will become methane. So methane is a compound having one carbon. It is an alkane. Okay. Let's see next. Next we have 8. So let's see if we have 2 carbon. So for 2 carbon we have C2H2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so I am writing this according to this formula. Just remember this. Okay, we have two carbons, so I have placed 2 in place of n. n की जगह मैंने 2 यूज में लिया है. Now we can write it C2H6. So C2H6 is a, for 2 carbon we can use 8. Okay, 8, and in the end we have to use ene. So it will become ethane. Okay, it will become ethane. Now we can write the structure of ethane as well. हम इसका structure भी लिख सकते हैं. Let's see. You know we have 2 carbons. Let's draw 2 carbon, 1 and 1. There are 2 carbons, and we know that as it is alkane. Yeah, these are the examples of alkane. So there is a single bond between carbon and carbon. So we will write single bond here. Okay, single bond बना है. Next, what we have to do? We have to add number of hydrogen with these carbon. But remembering one thing that there should be not more than 4 bonds of carbon. Carbon के 4 से ज़्यादा bond नहीं होने चाहिए. ठीक है? So 1 bond we have already written. Now we have to add only 3 bonds more, like this. And all these 3 bonds will have hydrogen with them. इनके ऊपर एक hydrogen आप attach कर देंगे. Now this is the structure of ethane. This is the structure of ethane. Now come to the next. If we have 3 carbon, so we can frame the formula for 3 carbon. The formula will be C3H2 into 3 plus 2, and it will become C3H8. Okay, C3H8. And what should be the name of this compound? It should be prop plus ane, propane. It should be propane. Okay, ये propane हो गया हमारे पास. Propane should have 3 carbons. So 3 carbons should be arranged like this with a single bond. 1, 2, and 3. Remember this thing because we are talking about alkanes, and alkanes are the compounds which have single bond between carbon and carbon. And rest or at rest valencies we will write hydrogen. तो बाकी जो valencies है वहाँ हम hydrogen attach कर देंगे. So 1 hydrogen, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 hydrogen completed and 3 carbon, and there is no vacant valencies. अब कोई valency नहीं है. बस ये ध्यान रखना, each carbon will form 4 bonds because carbon is a tetravalent. ठीक है? Now come to the next. C4. Let's write the formula. C4H2 into 4 and plus 2. So it will become C4H10. So what should be the name of C4H10? Its name should be butane. Okay, right. Because for 4 carbon we use but as prefix and then ane, butane. And the structure of butane, we have to draw 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And with each carbon we need to write hydrogen, completing 4 valencies. So here we know there are 3 valencies, 2 more, and there are 3 valencies. And we have to arrange hydrogen on them. इन पर हमें hydrogen को arrange करना है. Now this is the structure of butane. It's very simple. Okay. Next, pentane. So for pentane we can write C5H2 into 5 plus 2. It will become C5H12. So solve करेंगे तो C5H12 आएगा. For 5 carbon we can write. For 5 carbon what can we write? We can write pent plus ane. It will be pentane. Okay, it will be pentane. And for pentane we can write 5 carbons with connecting with single bond. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and there are 12 hydrogen we can connect with it. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11, and 12. Okay, so 12 hydrogen completed. And now come to the next, that is hex with 6 carbon. If I put 6 carbon in formula, then it will become C6H2 into 6 plus 2. And now the formula is C6H14, that is hexane. Okay, and let's draw the structure of hexane. What should be the structure of hexane? It should be like this: 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then hydrogen, and at rest of the vacancies there will be hydrogen. एक hydrogen यहाँ पर आप connect कर देंगे. Now this is the structure of hexane. This is the structure of hexane. Okay, so these are alkane. These are the structures of alkane. Alkane हाइड्रोकार्बन के एग्जाम्पल है, ठीक है, और ये हमारे पास alkane हो गए. Any problem बेटा in this topic? If anybody have any problem can ask me. I think there should be no problem. And this video will also be provided to you on WhatsApp. आपको ये वीडियो मिल जाएगा because recording is on, so you will have no problem. Okay? If you don't understand once, see the video again and again. You will be able to understand it a better way. Okay? And these examples are very important for 11th class and 12th class point of view because these are the basics of organic chemistry which you are going to study in 11th standard and 12th standard. If it is clear, then you will face less problem in next class. Okay, let me remove it. बता दें इसको. Okay, let's consider the next. That is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now we are discussing unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let's see. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. So we know that we have two types of unsaturated hydrocarbons. First is alkene and second is alkyne. Okay. So let's see one by one. First we can see alkene. Type first, alkene. If we are talking about alkenes, the common formula for alkene is CnH2n. That's it. This is the common formula. Using this formula, we can write the structure of alkene. Okay. Again, let's see some alkenes. Alkene starts with 2 carbons because there should be minimum 2 carbons to have double bond between them. So the first example of alkene will be of 2 carbons. ध्यान रखें 2 कार्बन का होगा वो पहला एग्जाम्पल इसका. So let's start with C2. Number of carbon. Let's write number of carbon here. Carbon. And then we can write molecular formula. And then we can write name. And after name we can draw the structure. Okay, we will see these things. ये चीजें अपन यहाँ पर देखेंगे. Let's see. First of all, we have suppose 2 carbon. So we can write the formula for 2 carbons as we know that CnH2n is the formula. So we can write C2 because 2 carbons are there. H2 into 2. For n we can use number of carbon means n. ठीक है. So if we calculate it, the formula will become C2H4. So C2H4 is the molecular formula of 2 carbon alkene. And what should be the name of this compound? Its name should be, if it has 2 carbon, so it will be called for 2 carbon what we say? We say it is A. Okay, so A can be used, A, and then ene will be suffix in the end, है ना? बिल्कुल. तो ध्यान रखें इसमें बेटा, यहाँ आपको क्या यूज में लिखना है? हाउ कैन यू राइट द नेम? नंबर ऑफ कार्बन, सॉरी नेम ऑफ कार्बन प्लस इन. दिस शुड बी द नेम. So name of carbon is A, and what we have to use in the end is ene. So it will become ethene. Okay. So let's draw the structure of ethene. How should be the structure of ethene? It has 2 carbons. Okay, ethene has 2 carbons. But we have to remember is that alkenes are the compounds which contain double bond. ध्यान रखें, it contains double bond. इनमें double bond होता है. So you have to first draw the double bond between 2 carbons. Double bond because it is an alkene. ठीक है. after writing the double bond, you have to use rest of the hydrogen which are left. So यहाँ पर we have 4 hydrogen. So here we can draw 4 hydrogen like this. These are the 4 hydrogen. Okay. So this is the structure of ethene. Let's have one more example. One more example. That is 3 carbon. 3 carbon compound. For 3 carbon we can use prop. Okay. The name of 3 carbon is prop. And what is the structure? Let's see. Sorry, molecular formula. That is C3H2 into 3 and C3H6. This is the molecular formula of propene. So what should be the name? For 3 carbon we use prop and then ene. Yes, it is propene. The name is propene. My video is not clear. No problem. अभी हो जाएगी clear. Don't worry. Okay. And if it is not clear, still it is not clear, that means there is some network problem from your side. है ना? तो उसको log out करके वापस log in कर लेना, है ना? Left करके वापस join कर लेना. Okay. Yes, propene. It is propene. Let's draw the structure of propene. So how many carbons should propene have? 3 carbons. So first draw 3 carbons like this. These are the 3 carbons, and we know that it is an propene is an example of alkene. So alkene should have double bond in it. इसमें double bond होना चाहिए, but not 2 or more than 2 double bond. There should be only 1 double bond, है ना? एक double bond हो तो भी वो alkene है. So you have to draw only a 1 double bond. So there is 1 double bond. So you can draw this double bond either this side or that side. है ना? दोनों में से किसी भी तरफ आप इस double bond को place कर सकते हैं. No problem. Now what you have to do next is you have to place hydrogen, but be careful. Be careful. Remember one thing. Each carbon should have 4 bonds, not less than 4, not more than 4. Okay. So right now we have 2 bonds here. We have 2 bonds with this carbon. So it will form only 2 more bonds with hydrogen like this, 1 and 2. That's it. And it has 3 bonds, 1, 2 and 3. So only 1 bond will be formed with hydrogen. And it has only 1 bond. This carbon has only 1 bond. That means it will form 3 bonds. Okay. So this thing is very important. If you make any mistake in this, obviously your answer will go wrong. So let's draw hydrogen. So there are 6 hydrogen I have placed here. So number of hydrogen and carbon are as according to formula. Let's see the next one, 4th. One last example of it, 4 carbon. If we have 4 carbon, then its prefix will be bute. Okay, bute will be prefix. And what? Yes, बोलिए बेटा. Okay, no problem. Second वाला मैं अभी दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, लेकिन but if you know how I frame third one, so second one will be very clear to you, है ना? तो एक बार आप third समझ लो. If still you have any problem, then I will explain the second. Okay? Because it's same. Yes, let's see. So now, right now we have 4 carbon. Okay? So what should be the formula of compound having 4 carbon according to this? CnH2n. So C. For N we have 4 carbon and hydrogen, and then 2N, 2 into, and for N we have 4. So we have the molecular formula C4H8. Okay, I think यहाँ पर किसी को problem नहीं होनी चाहिए, because what I have done is I have put the value of N in this formula. मैंने N की value इस formula में put की है. Will turn off your audio? Somebody's audio is on, so that's why the background voice is audible. Okay, yes, let's see. So now we have to name it. अब इसको नाम दे रहे हैं हमें, तो what should be the name of this compound? Let's see. It has 4 carbon. For 4 carbon, the prefix is bute. Okay, so first we will write bute, and after writing bute, because we have already write the name of carbon. Name of carbon is bute for 4 carbon. Then we have to add ene in the end. E-N-E in the end. So in the end I will add ene. E-N-E, ene. Now it becomes butene. Okay. Now let's draw the structure of butene. For butene we should have 4 carbon. So first draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, अब बहुत ध्यान से समझना इस चीज को. Okay, but butene is an example of alkene and alkene has double bond. ठीक है, alkene में double bond होता है. Right now you have to draw a double bond. It can be written here, here and here. कहीं पर भी एक आपको double bond लगाना है. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, सपोज मैं उस double bond को यहाँ यूज में ले रहा हूँ. That's it. ठीक है. Now अब आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट ईच कार्बन कैन फॉर्म 4 बॉन्ड. ईच कार्बन कैन फॉर्म 4 बॉन्ड. राइट नाउ हाउ मेनी बॉन्ड्स दिस कार्बन हैव? दिस कार्बन हैव ओनली 1 बॉन्ड. दैट मीन्स इट कैन फॉर्म 3 मोर बॉन्ड्स लाइक दिस, 1, 2 and 3. Now it has completed 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's satisfied. We can use hydrogen to complete these vacancies, है ना. तो यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन लगा सकते हैं जो हमारे पास 3 वैलेंसीज है. Now let's use this carbon. इस कार्बन में देखिए आप, already there are 3 bonds because 1 double bond and 1 single bond. There are 3 bonds. So how many more bonds are required? Only 1. So 1 bond is required. Okay, and in this same here it has 3 bonds, 1, 2 and 3. So that means 1 more bond is required. And how many more bonds are required in last carbon? Can you tell me? 3. Okay, correct. So 3 bonds are required. So I have placed 3. And what I have to do is I have to use hydrogen to fulfill these valencies. Okay, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen and hydrogen. That's it. Now this is the structure of butene. Actually the particular name of this butene is but2ene or 2-butene. ठीक है, अगर मैं पर्टिकुलर नेम की बात करता हूं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि वी यूज द पोजीशन ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड एंड वी नो दैट डबल बॉन्ड कम्स ऑन द सेकेंड कार्बन, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write it like this, 2-butene. 2-butene, sorry 2 लगा देंगे हम. That's it, 2-butene. तो इसको हम 2-butene लिख सकते हैं. But mostly it is used when you are studying in 11th class, but up to 10th standard you need not mention the position of double bond because it has been removed from the syllabus as well. But remember this, you can denote the position of double bond. Okay, somebody is saying something. Yes beta, want to say anything? Okay, हाँ yes हट गया. बट ये अपन को बेटा पढ़ना इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि आगे जो आप होमोलोगस सीरीज वगैरह पढ़ेंगे ना, तो हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट इट इज एल्केन, एल्कीन और एल्काइन. तो आप कैसे पहचान पाएंगे? तो यू शुड नो अबाउट इट. इसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट एल्कीन. ठीक है, दिस इज एल्कीन. सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट. अब नेक्स्ट पर आ जाते हैं हम. And next unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkynes. Alkynes. So next we are talking about alkynes. Alkynes, and alkynes are the compounds having triple bond. ध्यान रखना, having triple bond. Compounds having triple bond are called alkynes. Just remember this. And the common formula for it, CN H2n-2. Actually alkyl, yes. Alkyl are the hydrocarbons which have a different formula like this, CnH2n+1. These are alkyls. Or you can say that if we remove one hydrogen from alkene, अगर आप alkene में से एक हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव करते हैं, then the compound left is called alkyl. उसे alkyl बोलते हैं. ठीक है, we will discuss it. इसको डिस्कस करेंगे, but that cannot be considered as hydrocarbon because that is substitution group. वो एक अलग चीज है, वो अपन हाइड्रोकार्बन में उसकी स्टडी नहीं करते. ठीक है, चलिए, क्योंकि उसकी वैलेंसी कंप्लीट नहीं होती है, वो स्टेबल नहीं है. इट इज नॉट स्टेबल. Yes, so we are talking about alkynes. So let's write first number of carbon. Then we can write after number of carbon we can write the molecular formula. Then we can write the name of compound. name of compound, and then we can write the structure. Okay, we can write the structure of hydrocarbon. While we are, yes, repeat beta, what are you saying? Acha, okay. Just a minute. Let me see. Why it is said that we should use unsaturated carbon oil, our cooking oil, as it is beneficial for health. Why it is good for cooking? Yes, just wait, because this topic will also be covered, because after completing this topic, we are going to study about the saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbon oil and their properties. इनकी properties अपन पढ़ेंगे. It will be after this topic. इस topic के बाद आएगा, ठीक है? So I will clear it in detail. इसको मैं डिटेल में क्लियर करूंगा आपको, ठीक है? नो प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट वेट. फर्स्ट लेट मी फिनिश दिस टॉपिक, देन वी विल डिस्कस दैट. ओके, तो लेट्स सी, देखते हैं आगे. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर टेकिंग. वीडियो नहीं आ रहा. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. स्क्रीन क्या हो गया? अच्छा, ओके आ जाएगा. yes, turn off your audio please. Okay, that's why I am saying please turn off your audio. Yes, right now audio is off. Okay, let's see. Number of carbon. Suppose we have 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. Actually 1 we cannot take, because there cannot be 3 triple bond in 1 carbon. So it will start from 2 carbon, then 3 carbon, and 4 carbon, and that's it. We will take 3 examples. So first write the molecular formula for 2 carbon. We know that the name of 2 carbon is H. Okay, so what should be the molecular formula? If we use C for N, we have 2, and H 2 into 2 minus 2. Then the molecular formula will be C2H2. It should be the molecular formula of alkyne having 2 carbons. So what should be the name? Name क्या होना चाहिए? तो देखो name का यही है, name of carbon plus ion. Name of carbon and plus ion. Okay, you can use ion. So this can be the name of the compound. So here we have 2 carbons. For 2 carbons we use 8, and now we have to use ion. So it will become ethyne. Okay, the name of this compound will be ethyne. And now we can write the structure of it. इसका structure बनाएं तो we know that there are 2 carbons. So for 2 carbons we can write it like this. We have 2 carbons, but now we have triple bond between 2 carbons. So we will frame triple bond like this. These are the triple bonds. Now rest of the vacancies there will be hydrogen. So there will be only one valency free, which will be connected by hydrogen. So this is the structure of ethyne. Okay, let's see next. Next is alkyne having 3 carbons. So the formula for it is C3H2 into 3 minus 2. According to this formula. Okay, so what will be the formula? C3 and H4. This is the formula of alkyne having 3 carbon. And what should be the name? If it has 3 carbon, it can be say prop. For 3 carbon, prop is used, prop, and in the end we will use ion. So it will become propyne. Okay, so what should be the structure? So for propyne we can write like this. And we know that there should be one triple bond. एक triple bond भी होना चाहिए, so we can easily draw a triple bond here. तो यहाँ एक triple bond अपन draw कर सकते हैं. So let me draw triple bond here. तो मैंने यहाँ पर triple bond लगा दिया, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पर हमें देखना है कि rest of the valencies will be satisfied by hydrogen. So now we have one hydrogen here, and here we can see 4 bonds are completed. Here 4 bonds are completed. Now there will be 3 bonds. यहाँ पर 3 bond होंगे. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 hydrogen will be placed here. So this is the example of propyne. This is the example of propyne. Let's have the next example. 4 carbons. Alkynes having 4 carbons. Okay. So let's see. So in this we say that alkyne having 4 carbon will start with bute. For 4 carbon we can use bute, and let's write the formula C4H2 into 4 minus 2, and the molecular formula will be C4H6. This is the molecular formula of alkyne having 4 carbons. So what should be the name? Bute in the beginning and then ine. So bute plus ine. So it should be butyne. And what should be the structure of butyne? As we know that bute has 4 carbons. So first draw 4 carbons like this. पहले इस तरह से 4 carbons draw करते. And after drawing the 4 carbons, what you have to do is you have to mark triple bond. Triple bond can be placed at first position, second position, कहीं पे भी लगा सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर नहीं दिया हुआ है तो, but if it is mentioned that it is 1 butyne. It is 1 butyne. So in that case, you will have to place the triple bond at first position, because I have written 1 butyne. So here I will draw a triple bond at first carbon, and then 3 bonds are there, so 1 hydrogen will be placed, and here we can see all 4 bonds, so we need not add hydrogen here. Here there are 2 bonds, so 2 hydrogen will be placed here, and here there is only 1 hydrogen, so 3 hydrogen will be placed here. Okay, so this is the structure of butyne. So these all were the hydrocarbons, alkane, alkenes and alkynes. Yes. So first let me have the attendance, just a minute.
Okay, so here we are taking some example of hydrocarbons. Actually we have 3 types of hydrocarbons: alkane, which have single bond, alkene which have double bond, and alkyne which have triple bond. Okay, and we have already written the formula for alkane, alkene and alkyne, and using these formula we can frame some of the examples of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Suppose if we have 2 carbons, then using this formula I can write a molecular formula of this compound. This is alkane having 2 carbon. It is called ethane. Okay, इसको हम ethane कह रहे हैं. If हमारे पास में if we have 2 carbon and we have a compound having double bond and using this formula, so we will have ethene. Similarly, if we have 2 carbon, using this formula we can frame a structure of a compound that is called ethyne. Okay, तो इसमें सिंपल ये ध्यान रखना है आपको, अगर सिंगल बॉन्ड आ रहा है इस फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग है, 2 कार्बन से बना है, देन एथ प्लस इन, एथ प्लस इन, एथ प्लस आइन. व्हाट आई हैव डन हियर कि यहाँ पर हमें ये पता है प्रीफिक्स तो सब में क्या है आपके पास, एथ है. इसमें देखिए ऑल हैव एथ प्रीफिक्स, सबके पास में एथ जो है वो प्रीफिक्स है. हमने लास्ट में क्या ऐड किया, देखिए यहाँ पर हमने ऐड किया है इन, बिकॉज इट इज सफिक्स ऑफ एल्केन. हियर आई हैव यूज्ड इन बिकॉज इट इज सफिक्स ऑफ एल्कीन. ओके, एंड हियर आई हैव यूज्ड आइन, यहाँ मैंने आइन को यूज किया है बिकॉज आइन इज अ सफिक्स ऑफ एल्काइन. ठीक है, बाकी हमें यहाँ पता ही है कि नंबर ऑफ कार्बन के अकॉर्डिंग हम नेम कैसे करते हैं. सपोज इफ वी हैव 2 carbon, then it is 8, for 3 prop, for 4 bute, for 5 pent, and for 6 carbon there is a hex. And as we know that these are the examples of alkene, and according to this formula, so that's why I have used ane in the end. सब में मैंने लास्ट में ane का यूज किया है. ठीक है, hexane. So here you can see these are the ane in the end. end के अंदर आपके पास में ane है सब में. ठीक है, because these are the examples of alkene. So similarly you can see in this example we have 8, prop, bute, pent, hex. This is according to number of carbon, but in the end I have used ene. Why I have used ene? Because these are the examples of alkene, and alkene should have ene in the end. ठीक है. Similarly for alkynes you can see we have, if according to carbon we have the name 8, prop, bute, pent, hex. And as we can see, these are the example of alkynes according to this formula. So that's why I have used in the end ines. So here ines are there. Okay. So what should be the name? We can easily understand the name. If it is alkane, for 2 carbon it is ethane, for 3 carbon, for double bond it is ethene, and for triple bond it is ethyne. And if we have 3 carbon, it is propane. Okay, for 3 carbon double bond it is propene, and for 3 carbon triple bond it is propyne. For 4 carbon it is butane, butene, butyne. For 5 carbon pentane, pentene, pentyne. For 6 carbon it is hexane, hexene, and hexyne. So here this is the classification of hydrocarbon according to saturated and unsaturated form, single bond, double bond, or triple bond. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, that's all.